What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and today we're taking a look at an awesome case lineup from a company right from Brooklyn, right around the corner from me. Of course, I'm talking about Ghostek. They not only have an awesome logo, but they give you a lot of nice protection in a really stylish case. Today we're going to take a look at the Exec 4 and Covert 3 for your Google Pixel 4 XL. Check my link down below if you're interested in picking this up, but let's go ahead, unbox them, and check them out together. Starting with the Covert 3, this is a slim gel style case. If you want to showcase the beauty of your phone, this is the case to get. It's drop tested, non-slip grip. You get a limited lifetime warranty on this bad boy. You also have R2X impact technology on all of those corners, so you're really going to be protected from drops and spills. Diamond grip, multi-layer technology, soft touch buttons. Let's go ahead. Here's your little troll sticker. You can place that right on the back of your phone. Looks quite nice if you ask me, but this is the actual case. And it is a gel skin, so you can see that. But it is a really protective, stylish case. If you want something a little bit slim and a little bit more showcasey, this is the case you want to get. There's your little logo, Ghostek, right down there. And here's that R2X material on all of the corners. So that's your drop protection right over there. Installation, super simple. Here's your 360 bird's eye view of the front lip protection. So if you want a slim case, you're still getting a nice amount of protection. So placing your phone flat on a table or surface is not really going to scratch up your screen. You're going to be well protected thanks to this lip on the front. You can see your orange power button matches really nicely with their R2 material. I think that's something that looks super cool. I like to see that orange accent button myself. Taking a look at the bottom, cutouts are perfect. Little oversized action for your USB-C cable. Your camera is protected. This is your camera protection. And you get to see the little G and that Ghostek logo right over there. Here's your non-slip grip, Kung Fu grip material. So when you do hold it, you get that Kung Fu grip no matter what. Really a nice touch. And it is really a nicely designed case. I like how the bumpers are raised a little bit more than the actual case. So if it does fall and hit on one of these corners, you're going to be protected with that R2 material and the raised corner bumper actionness going on all of those four corners there. And it's just a nicely designed case, a very nice see-through case for those of you that, well, want to see your phone. This again is the Covert 3. Take a look at that one. But for the executives out there, for those people that really are on the go, maybe you're also a road warrior, you might want to pick up the Exec 4 for those hot date nights, for those times you're in the car. You get a 4-card wallet attachment that comes with this case as well. Military grade standard, limited lifetime again, wireless charging compatible, detachableness. Let's just go ahead and take this out. There's your troll sticker. This is the Exec 4, so before we check out all of its cool features, let's just take a look at it. There's a little Ghostek branding right on the bottom. Little Exec right over there as well. Non-slip grip, Kung Fu material on the sides here. So really a nice kind of case if you want something more utilitarian. If you want something that looks like it should be on Batman's belt, this is the one to get. Detach this little guy right over here and you can put 4 cards in, and it actually holds them in pretty nicely. Really a nice fit. They're not going to fall out whatsoever. Once you put your cards in, snap it back into place, and your cards, once again, not falling out. So let's just go ahead and install the phone. Here's your front lip protection. A nice amount of lip protection in my opinion. You can also see that all of the 4 corners have that raised action going on. So you get a little bit more protection thanks to those bumpers on all of the 4 corners. Cutouts are all perfect. Take a look at that oversized USB-C. Kung Fu grip material. Definitely not an issue, especially with this card holder in the back. You're really not going to drop this whatsoever. And your cards do not fall out. That's a plus with this case for sure. There's your camera protection right over there. And the really cool thing about this, if you are a road warrior, if you are in your car more times than you're not, all you have to do is get in your car. Here's your little mount that's in your dashboard. Attaches very nicely, and you have your Waze, Google Maps ready with you wherever you go. Use that Soli chip, change the tracks, do whatever you got to do. This case really is a jack of all trades. Everything you want from a case is here. If you just want to carry one thing and you don't want a wallet, you don't want a lot of things in your pocket, this is the case to get. You can also leave this at home if you just want to use the case as is. And this is the way you'll have to use it if you want wireless charging. It will not wirelessly charge with this attachment. So again, wait to hear that clip, clip it back into place, and you're good to go. This is the awesome case for Friday nights. You're going out, you don't want a big bulge in your pocket, you just want a case and you want to carry a few cards, you want to keep it simple. You also want to use this navigation to find out where you're going, hop in your car, you're good to go. Or if you're out and you just want to show everybody that you got a new white Pixel 4 Panda Edition, the Covert 3 is the way to go as well. But let me know which one you prefer down in the comments below. I always appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.